She withheld intimacy to teach him a lesson. Then he finally stopped trying. Be me. Evelyn, 32. Married to David for 4 years. First 2 years were straight-up movie-level sweet. Sex often, laughing, road trips, dumb couple shit. Like actually good. One Saturday I'm making pancakes in his shirt, dancing like an idiot. He comes up behind me, wraps his arms around me. Kisses my neck. We end up F********* and G on the kitchen counter like heathens. Pancakes ruined. We eat them in bed anyway. Life felt easy. Enter Rachel.exe. Old college roommate. Gets divorced. Brutal nuclear divorce. Starts living at our place like a rescue cat. Always ranting about emotional labor and men weaponizing incompetence. Invites me to her book club. Big mistake. Book club is like feminist fight club. These women diagnose their husbands like case studies. Does he appreciate you? Are you rewarding mediocrity? Their husbands sound like war criminals the way they talk about them. One night at the host's fancy loft. Rachel pulls me aside. Gets that earnest, I'm helping you face. Evelyn, you're too available. Men don't value what they have unlimited access to. Like I'm Netflix premium or something. Says I'm basically training David to expect sex. Says I need to make him earn it. Calls me a doormat wife. Doormat. Hits me right in the mommy issues. Think about my mom getting cheated on. Panic.jpg. So I try it. He kisses my neck one night. I hit him with the I'm tired. He looks sad puppy but backs off. Next week he cleans the kitchen, brings me wine. I reward him. He literally glows. Dopamine dispenser activated. I start gamifying my husband. If he doesn't do chores, no intimacy. Spends time with friends, not in the mood. I convince myself it's boundaries. Reality, I'm running a relationship Pavlov experiment. One night in the bathroom. I'm in underwear, taking off makeup. He looks at me in the mirror all soft and loving. Touches my waist. You're beautiful. I bite his head off. Tell him to stop sexualizing me. Call him an animal. He freezes. Apologizes. Stops touching me at all for over a week. Book club cheers like I just graduated from feminist Hogwarts. Fast forward. Months of this system. Sex becomes performance, reward, transaction. David becomes hesitant, cautious. Every touch comes with, is this okay? No more spontaneous affection. No more warmth. Then the night. I'm scrolling Instagram in bed. He kisses my shoulder, gentle, hopeful. I tell him I'm not in the mood to perform. Man shuts down like a robot powering off. Rolls over. Sleeps instantly. Something breaks. Next morning he's normal. Too normal. Autopilot normal. Following weeks. He stops initiating. Not even flirty. Not even hinting. He becomes polite. Polite is the opposite of love. He starts hitting the gym. Like hard. 5 days a week. Sometimes twice. Muscles incoming. Women looking. I see it. He doesn't seem to care. Or maybe he cares too much and stops showing. Takes up woodworking. Hangs with friends. Hobbies, projects, life. Everything except me. He's still kind. But distant. Like I'm his roommate. Not his wife. I wear new dress. Ask how I look. Ready? That's it. Not beautiful, not gorgeous. Just ready. I try initiating for the first time in months. He refuses. Long day, maybe this weekend. My line. Man hits me with my own line. I panic. Go nuclear. Lingerie. Expensive, black lace, the works. Walk by him like a walking thirst trap. He looks up. That's pretty? Pretty. Then goes back to reading. Stoicism of all things. I'm losing to Marcus Aurelius. Rachel says he's manipulating me. But it feels more like indifference. Then I see texts on his phone. With Jake. I finally stopped caring if she wants me or not. Hope was killing me. I'm done chasing someone who doesn't want to be caught. She has the marriage she wanted. I'm respecting her boundaries, just not torturing myself anymore. I'm shaking. He walks out of the shower. I confront him. Expecting tears, begging something. Instead, calm. Devastatingly calm. I didn't give up on us, Evelyn. I gave up on feeling pathetic. He pulls out a notes file. Logs of every rejection. 47. 47 times I made my husband feel unwanted. Shows me my own words. Maybe this weekend. Stop being needy. Not performing tonight. I'm not a sex dispenser. I can't breathe. He says, you wanted autonomy. You got it. But autonomy doesn't mean I keep trying when you don't. Says Rachel is miserable. Says I treated marriage like a power struggle. Says he's staying with Jake. Last thing he says before leaving. I love you. But I don't like who you've become. Call Rachel. She says he's gaslighting me. But for the first time, her words feel cheap. Instagram hits me with a quote. You don't owe anyone access to your body. Underneath, someone commented. And they don't owe you their heart after you reject it 47 times. Sit in silence. Stare at David's empty coffee cup. Text him. I'm sorry. I see it now. Can we talk? He replies hours later. Maybe. But not yet. I realize. I broke the man who used to kiss me over burnt pancakes. And I don't know if he'll ever come back.